Smoke detectors, carbon monoxide. Under Oregon law, every property is required to have smoke detectors and a carbon monoxide detector on the living level. Depending on the year when the property was built, these standards may change. But at the end of the day, these are health and safety. I would encourage you as a seller, go ahead and install an additional smoke detector, one in every bedroom, in the hallway outside the bedrooms, at the top of the staircase. It's safety equipment. We also need a carbon monoxide detector on the living levels as well as required by state law. If you have questions, I'll help you with it.